Hello class 9. Let's solve the exercise
first question
of linear
of
equations
this
in two variables
from your
4.4 says give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation in one variable. So we have already done it in the previous class where we dealt with linear equation in one variable. So in one variable, y is equals to 3 represents a point as shown in the figure. So if you see this particular figure, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is right over here, y equals to 3. This can be hand-drawn in the copy. For the second part, we are having two variables. So for this, we need the graph paper, which has the two axes, x and y. Here, y equals to 3 represents a straight line which passes through point 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3 and so on, and is also parallel to the x-axis. So in the introduction video, you have already learned about the parallel axis. So we can see that for y equals to 3, for any value of x, take any value of x and put in this equation, you will get y equals to 3. So for x equals to 0, y will be equal to 3. For x equals to 1, y will be equals to 3. For x equals to 2, y will be equals to 3. So we'll get 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, etc. as the points on the straight line defined by the equation y equals to 3. In the second question of exercise 4.4 says give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0 as an equation in one variable and also in two variables. In one variable, 2x plus 9 equals to 0 represents a point. Okay, so we'll try to bring this equation in terms of x and bring everything else to the right hand side of the equation. So plus 9 goes to the other side and becomes minus 9, and 2 comes to the denominator. Ultimately, x equals to minus 9 by 2 is equals to minus 4.5. Hence, we can write x equals to minus 4.5 and we will plot it on the number line. This is the x-axis, and here this being 0 and this is the negative direction of the x-axis. We'll stop right here at between minus 4 and minus 5. This is minus 4.5. We can also mark it with a straight line along this. The second part is for the equation in two variables. Again, we don't have two variables over here, but if we substitute in terms of y, whatever be the values of y, x will always come out to be minus 4.5. Therefore, if we say y is equals to 0, then x will be equals to minus 4.5. So we'll plot it right here. For y equals to 1, x will be again minus 4.5. So the point will be 1, minus 4.5, then 2, minus 4.5, 3, minus 4.5, and so on, both in the positive and negative direction. So here we can see this line right here is actually to the y-axis. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.